Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to another Switcharoozki Show.
Yeah, what she said.
Look at the camera right there.
Oh, okay.
Right there.
Right.
I can't point. Right there. Right there. Look at the camera. Okay.
So.
Okay. So today, today we're going to be doing the makeup challenge.
Yeah.
Let's get started. So let's start with not that. Let's not start with that. Okay, careful.
Let's do some eyeshadow.
We're starting with
that's
we're dropping things.
So
let's start with that. Oh, careful, that's broken.
Let's
start with
play
this.
a game called throwing our mascara.
Where's the brush? Oh, here's a brush.
Yes, perfect. Okay, gotta get some on my cheek.
Okay, that works. Now let's
interesting.
Okay, let's put some.
Now we got to get some something going on. Yeah.
A little more on my other cheek here. Oh, yeah, that's so gorgeous.
So
in my mouth.
Something on my eyelashes. Let's get some eyeshadow on here. They're totally the same color, like totally. So now we're gonna get some like brown, like a lighter brown on my eyelid.
All over. We have to get
on my ear. My ears need polishing.
This is good stuff. Okay.
Okay. Now we are getting some mascara.
Sorry.
We need to open it first.
Let me fix my shirt.
Yeah,
Sorry, it's a little
that.
knot is there.
Oh my goodness. And now I'm gonna close my eyes.
Okay, we're getting here. Okay. Very nice. We gotta get that all in there. Amazing.
We're finished with our mascara.
Mine actually looks good. Like Charis, yours is like terrible. Careful. Here, let's do some eyeshadow.
Say where's the foundation?
Where's the foundation? Oh, there it is. Okay. Now we're gonna open this and get the little pad.
So now you gotta do my eyeshadow.
Yep.
Or I gotta do my eyeshadow,
put all
obviously.
over my face. Perfect.
Oh, oops. There's the brush right there.
Oh, that's not right.
Here it is.
My neck needs some. My chin.
That's so sorry.
My neck.
Sorry, I'm having trouble finding the brush.
Yeah. So I think I look gorgeous.
There, those are the. That's the only brush.
There's a long one somewhere.
Let's see. Where
here it
is the other eyeshadow? Oh, where's the bronzer?
Let go!
Let's see. Where's the bronzer? Right there. Okay.
Okay.
We're gonna grab
pick this
that.
color.
We're gonna.
Okay, ready? Here we go.
Okay.
We're picking this color right here.
So we're going to put my hand a little bit further than it is now and grab some bronzer. Yep.
Oh, lovely. This is looking amazing.
And we are going to put some of that on. Just like
I'm very bad at putting on my makeup, but you know, I feel like I'm almost a professional.
I gotta get a good scrub in there, and put it on my eyebrows. Yeah, it's an eyebrow. It's actually.
I normally do my makeup covering up my eyes, so
eyebrow.
I get like the artificial effect.
Now we're putting on my other eyebrow. Perfect.
Yeah, we want this color. I like doing a mix of colors.
That's a really dark color.
It highlights all of my natural beauty.
And we just knocked some eyeshadow into my contestant's lap. Yeah, it's all over her now. I look beautiful. Just beautiful. No.
Okay, we need the mascara.
Thankfully, it did not break. Okay, now we got this brush here. This little tiny white brush. We're gonna get some
this is dangerous.
more eyeshadow on.
I'm really bad at my eyeshadow. I mean my mascara.
Yep, got a really light. It's
almost like my hands are out of control.
And we're going to put that on my no. And we do not have lipstick, sadly.
I'll be right back.
Okay.
We'll be right back.
Oh, I got to my other eye. Okay, here we go. Oh, my eyes are glued shut. Do you see us doing our magnificent job?
Yeah. Say hi. Wave to the camera, Charis.
Hi.
I can barely open my eye.
Oh, great.
And so,
Oh.
yeah.
This is the final.
Gotta put my jacket
Wait,
back
not
on.
yet.
Wait, hold on. I forgot to put on eyeliner. I forgot to put on eyeliner. Hold on. Let me grab the eyeliner.
It's really low in battery.
I'm sorry. Hurry. Okay, go.
I look awful.
Go.
I'm
eyeliner.
actually
Ready? You gotta
going to a
put this-
wedding.
Sometimes I put it on my eyebrows because I feel like it enhances my.
Yeah, and we got some more mascara because
Uh-huh.
a girl can't have too much mascara. No,
Yeah,
I'm just
I like
gonna
to
put some
highlight
on
my
cheek.
bones, my
mean, like,
cheekbones.
What a better way to highlight your cheekbones? I mean, like with mascara, like totally. And
I like
we're
making
gonna close
spider
that
drawings on my cheeks.
And
Yeah, hold on. I feel like I need a little bit
gotta
more
put some on my other
eyeshadow
cheek.
on my face. I think I'm gonna use this
gorgeous.
eyeshadow.
Gorgeous, just gorgeous.
Like here, I feel like
Gonna
this is
close
good.
that now. You can't put
Oh,
the right
yeah.
cap into the
We got
bottle.
it. We need
hard.
lipstick. We need lipstick.
Okay, we're gonna
Where's
put
the
some
lipstick?
blush into me. And
I mean, oh wait, we can substitute
yeah, it's
lipstick.
very
Look, this is good
powdery.
for lipstick.
we're just gonna let that all on my lap. I get some more to put on my other cheek. Yep, just
Yes.
dab it on my fingers.
And sometimes, sometimes I like putting
Rub
mascara
that
on
side.
my cheeks. I mean,
I think it really brings out the black in the
all right.
mascara.
Well, I
don't
think
you?
I'm finished. I'm pretty
Me too.
sure. Oh yeah, side to side. Yeah, this
Gotta
is.
show the full
Oh yeah,
full
this is
look.
so gorgeous.
looks beautiful.
Thank you.
Comment down below what you guys think. I mean, we had so much fun making this.
I hope you will like this. Please subscribe and like
Please.
and join the fam.
Yeah.
We love making this video and we want to make more. Comment down below. Comment down below what other videos we should make because this was so much fun and I hope
So
you enjoyed
much.
our makeup routines. We're basically professionals. I can't wait to go on Rogue and like totally
Yeah,
walk down
we're actually on
the red carpet. Yeah. We'll be there next week. Don't forget to come see us and
Like,
show.
totally.
Well, we love you guys so much.
Bye. Mwah. Mwah. Mwah.
Bye, people. We love you so much.
Yes,
I want you to comment
I
down
love my
below and say
makeup so
whose
much.
makeup you like best.
Hers or mine?
Wait, you can't forget the part on my cheekbone right there. That's the best part.
And right here. Can't forget that.
Thank you so much. Bye, guys. We love you.
Peace out.